All right, here we are on the uh, kind of expansion of the webinar and sharing your apps in more detail. So, and more specifically, how your client will install them on their phone, so you can kind of get a sense of the process for them, uh, what they need to do in order to get this done. So, if they have any questions, or just so you know the differences, and you might pick one app over the other one based on the option, or based on the way that it shares with your clients. Okay. So we already went through the CRMLS, so now we're going to look at MLS-Touch. So let's go into MLS-Touch. This one, once it loads here, we're going to go into the menu or the More section down at the bottom right, and then go to the Brand and Share, because we want to share it with our client. So we'll share the app, and then we'll go ahead and share by SMS. I already have it. I already shared it with myself, so I'm just going to go ahead and go back over to my text over here. And let's see, this one, is this the right one? Yeah, okay. So this is going to be what they receive. Hi there, please use this link to download my app. Contact me if you need any help. Regards, Richard Neville. So now this one is going to be a little bit different. So when you go to this URL, or when your client goes, they are going to have to copy this code. So maybe in your instructions, make note to copy this code, or if you put it on your business cards or something like that, make sure they have to enter this code and make that specific that they need to enter this code. Because if they just didn't scroll down far enough and hit install app, it's going to ask them for this code, and they might not know what code they need. So we're going to copy this. So if they have, need it for Android or Apple, here's your two options here. I'm just going to click install my app, and then it's going to come up, and then it's going to do MLS client, I think it's what it's called. Yeah, MLS client. So we'll go ahead, and I already downloaded it, but I just deleted it for these example purposes to show, how to install it, because otherwise it'd just open up the app. So here it goes. It's going to download, and this is where they're going to get my branded app. So we'll go ahead and open, and then now it's going to ask for the code. So do you want to allow, enter code, paste, done, then boom, there it goes. So this one's a little bit faster and then I'm just going to skip, but they could enter in their information in more detail, which, fill out the form below and collaborate together and unlock cool features. So let's just fill that out, but they could skip it, but it'll still be your branded app. So let's just skip it, because let's just pretend that they didn't want to fill that out. So if we hit skip, we still go to your branded app, in this case my branded app, where they can search. And we kind of went through this yesterday, what the features are in here, so we're not going to go dig into that today. But now you can see they'll have your branded app on their phone. So this one has a little bit different step where they have to enter in your code here. But you can, if you watch the CRMLS sharing app, this one went quite a bit faster for them, just because they just copy the code and then they just have to paste it in, and bing, bang, boom, they're in. There's not a a text verification code sent to them or anything like that. So this one's, it has that extra step that you just have to make them aware to enter this code here. But as long as they're aware of that and follow your instructions, they're going to be able to get access to this app a bit faster than they would the CRMLS app. All right, everyone, I'm going to move on to the home snap here in just a second, but I'm going to wrap this video up so we can have a separate video on that one, and I will share all these videos out with you. All right, thanks everyone. I will see you in the next video.